Shad Nongkrem ka bajulong manlo snem ka Iingsad Smit kala Kut Noh mynne ka sngi ka tarik Naiwieng arhajar arpoa da ka Jinglehñiam Pomblang hakabalawan ban ya sakhi lang da Myntri Rangbah ka jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma shongknor ka iing dorbar thawaiñ ka jylla Bah Metbah Lyngdoh Myntri Peit ya ka tnat PHE Bah Renikton L Tongkhar MLA ka Mauran Keneng Bah Pyniaid Sing Syiem CEM ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Bah Titos Khañ Chief Justice jong ka Shillong Bench jong ka Guwahati High Court Sanjib Banerjee kihe sarkar bat kiwe la IT ru da Myntri Rangbah ka jylla ya ka song pisa ka ba shiklur tingka na ka arklur tingka House EM ka Hima Khyrim Paiem Balajied Sing Syiem na ka benta ka Shad Nongkrem mentau snem bat ru na ka benta ban penbha bat penthamai ya ka Iingsad bat ki jaka ki badon markha bat ka
the metro moving, interest correct with the divide. As the chief of the government, I welcome you, sir.
To Dr. Balajied Sing Syiem, CM of Hima Khyrim, in the presence of the entire dorbar of Hima Khyrim. We are overwhelmed and receive the grant with gratitude in our hearts. And I now request our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad Sangma, to hand over the check to our Paiem Balajied Sing Syiem. We are honored, sir, to have a few words for you.
Paiem Balajied Sing Syiem, the CM of Bah
First of all, I take this opportunity to wish each and every one on this very, very auspicious and very important festival of the state. And I also would like to thank the organizing committee for having invited us to be part of this very, very important festival. These festivals and our culture is what gives us our identity. This is what makes us unique and makes us who we are. And hence, we must always ensure that our culture is preserved, is protected, and is always promoted. And hence, I'm very happy to see that the Shad Nongkrem and the festival that we're having for the past few days has been a tradition which has been maintained and kept for many, many years and decades. And I'm very happy to see that we have not lost touch with our culture and with our roots. And I encourage that not just in the Shad Nongkrem, but in all the festivals of all the different tribes of our state, we must strive to ensure that we maintain our identity.